All right. No more chuffing. Took it apart, cleaned the air path a little bit, put some fuel back in her, turned her up. Both burners are just a giving her. Yep. Nice and consistent. We'll let that burn through a little bit more fuel for maybe another little while here. It's starting to get dark. I thought maybe I'd cook something out here on this thing for dinner. But then I realized my plans for dinner are going to be involved in an oven, so. But everybody would like an update on that, because that was all it was. So any of the ones I got that are chuffing and making all kinds of weird sounds and noises, they're all going to get the air tubes, the tube here in the burner, and this tube that runs around underneath, and the burner, the plates, the burner plates. That's all. That's all it is. It just needs to be cleaned. All right, guys. Thanks for taking a look. I'm glad that worked out like it did. No worries. Fire it up Friday. Everybody take care. Enjoy your weekend.